we're not taking off together, Fredo. Oops.
Just a little while.
High rate.
Huh? Oh, I'm just taking a little leisurely cruise.
High rate. High rate. High rate. Stay slow. Airspeed.
My hands are frozen.
Airspeed. Airspeed.
Well, I'm not landing yet. I'm just trying to see how much of a challenge it's going to be. It's going to be a good challenge.
Probably a good challenge.
Look at that thing take off in that wind. Need that curve.
Time remaining 3 minutes 42 seconds.
Now, are you having a challenge to get it lower?
Yeah, mine wants to climb terrible.
Yeah.
Airspeed.
I mean, I am literally pushing the stick straight down almost.
I had to push about a third forward on mine.
Are you landing, Johnny?
No, I'm just trying to.
Yeah, fit the car.
Airspeed.
It takes a beating. Yeah, it looks like it. It took it good. Yeah. It looked like it was going to be bad. We change it every 2 days now.
Watch out, watch out.
Today. Good. Jump sideways.
Airspeed.
Look at that. Tail was wobbling. Fingernail in there.
Airspeed.
Right now, we can come right down the runway. 2 days.
Airspeed.
Yeah, me too.
Airspeed. Time remaining. Airspeed. 30 seconds.
Oh, wait a minute. What just happened?
30 seconds, I don't know.
Oh,
Seconds.
I forgot to set the timer.
9. 8. Airspeed. 6. 5. 4. 3. 2. 1. Timer expired. Land immediately. Land immediately. Airspeed.
Look at that. It's going sideways. Holy crap.
Airspeed.
There's about 100 of them
Minus
now
1
that
minute.
we would never use. Like to delete them. Takes so long to scroll through it.
We're still good.
Oh yeah.
It's glued under there. It's not going anywhere. But I didn't like the way it.
I see what
Airspeed.
you're doing, yeah.
ES. Airspeed. ESC 14.3 volts.
Is that bad or good?
Land
Airspeed.
immediately.
Hey, you remember I have a spare one sitting in the back room.
That don't mean you gotta crash this one, does it?
5 minutes.
Minus 5 minutes. Wrapping it up. That gives me, it says about 5 minutes of flying. I'm good with that, especially with the wind and that. All right.
Airspeed.
All right, now let's see if we can lose some altitude without crashing. Oh, wow, look at that crab.
Yeah.
All right, all my instructional videos better come into play.
Got another one. Y'all were crossing paths this day. That was cool.
Oh, I saw it too. There.
ESC 14.3 volts.
Alright, I gotta see if I can get this thing.
Take your time. I'll stay up here.
Okay.
Awesome.